Hi everyone, this is Anthony Battaglia. Welcome to my channel. Today's snack time with Anthony. I got some Dairy Queen. I got their large Oreo dirt pie blizzard treat with gummy worms, and their Reese's peanut butter cup blizzard treat. Costs $13.68. This blizzard with the gummy worms with dirt, and this Reese's blizzard. First, we're gonna try the Oreo, not Oreo, blizzard, Reese's blizzard. It's a little melted. It's got like peanut butter Reese's. Very good. Very chunks of Reese's. Nice and creamy ice cream. It's like a milkshake almost. So melted. I give the Reese's Blizzard, Reese's Blizzard, I give it 5 out of 5. Very good Blizzard Reese's. Nice chunks of Reese's. Yeah, definitely 5 out of 5. Let's try the dirt blizzard with gummy worms. It's like a It's almost like a chocolate cake. It's got like chocolate graham crackers. Try the gummy worms. They're not the best gummy worms. Gummy worms are small. Oh, it's like an Oreo cookie. Oreo Blizzard with like graham crackers. I think I like the better Reese's one better. This one has more. It's more sugary. Yeah. I give this a 4 out of 5. It's very good with the gummy worms, but it's too very sugary. Well, that's snack time with Anthony. DQs. I got the Reese's Blizzard and their Oreo, Dirt Oreo, Oreo Blizzard with gummy worms. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, share my videos, share my channel. Also comment on this video if you ever had the Dairy Queen ice cream. Also, if you'd like to join my Patreon, I'm going to have my Patreon linked up in the YouTube channel. So if you'd like to help out the channel, support the channel, you can sign up for the Patreon. Also, if you'd like to donate to the channel, I'm going to have my PayPal and Cash App. So if you'd like to help out the channel and support the channel, and so I can do more videos like this or other ones, you can send donations to the PayPal and Cash App. Also, if you'd like to buy merch for the channel, so you can rock the merch, that's also going to be located in the YouTube channel. So you can buy merch and rock the merch. Show support for the channel. Well, that's snack time with Anthony at DQ's ice cream. Have a good day. Have a good night. I give the Reese's a 5. The Oreo, Dirt Oreo with the gummy worms, I give it a 4. Total meal, I give it 9 out of 10. But that's it. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye bye.